Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Inviting all of you to the video series of Expert in Python Automation using Pytest-Playwright. My name is Rajesh. In this video, I am going to discuss about Playwright Assertions Part 2. The next assertion is to be enabled. So to be enabled means this will verify whether the element is enabled or not. So I will verify whether the email text box is enabled or not. Yeah, the test is passed. The element is enabled. So the next one is to be focused. This will verify whether the focus is on the element or not. Since the focus is not in that element, it is failed. So now I will set the focus to that element. I'm just clicking that element so that the focus will point to that element. See, now the test is passed. The next one is to be hidden. This assertion will verify whether this email element is hidden or not. Since the element is not hidden, it is failed. So we have to identify a hidden element. We have to identify hidden element. This is one of the hidden element. I'll just give this element. So copy the selector. The test case is passed. And the next one is to be in viewport. So this will verify whether the element is displayed in the viewport or not. I'll take the same email element. So the element is inside the viewport. That's the reason it is passed. And the next one is to be visible. So this will verify whether the element is visible or not. Since it is visible, the test case is passed. Next one is to contain text. So this will validate whether the element contains the given text or not. I'll take this button. So we will validate whether this continue button is present or not. Let me copy the CSS selector. It's validated. It is passed. The next one is to have accessible description. So this assertion will validate the accessible description. So accessible description is nothing. It's the area described by attribute of the element. You have to find out one of the area described by element. We'll take this password element. So here, if you see area described by is password helper. So this password helper is described below. So this is the one. See, here the password helper is described. So we have to specify this string so that it will validate whether the string is correct or not. So first we have to identify the element. The element we are going to check is password. So we have to copy this password ID hash password. And now we have to check the to have accessible description. So the accessible description is this one. Let me run this program. So it is validated, it is passed. The next one is to have accessible name. This assertion will validate the accessible name of the element. In case the element contain area label attribute, then it will be overwritten the accessible name. So here email is the accessible name. You see here, there is no area label. So the email text is the accessible name. It's passed. The next one is to have attribute. So this will validate whether the element contain the given attribute or not. Let me take this example. Let me take this one. It contains two parameters. So we have to specify the key and value both. This one. Yeah, it's passed. Next one is to have class. So to have class assertion will validate whether the class property is present or not. So in this case, this is the class. So we have to copy this class and give. Oh, this is failed. The reason behind is, you see here, we are expecting this text, but actual value is this one. So we have to specify this one. I will copy this actual value. Here I am stopping this video. You can watch the continuation in Playwright Locators Part 3. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions or feedback, please drop a comment. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Hit the bell icon to stay updated with all my future videos. Stay connected with me for the next one.